अवाजी समातुन ताई रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंदन.
This is Dr. Terry Jackson. Please tune in. Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show and it will change your life.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, the most kind, and the creator of all of us, all the creatures and all the universes. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, the radio which disseminates the sorrows and joys and bliss and happinesses of Sindh, and every color of history of Sindh, culture of Sindh, literature of Sindh, and everything related to Sindh is disseminated through Radio Voice of Sindh London. And this is the unique radio which brings to you the beautiful colors of Sindhi music also. And one of the chatterboxes of Radio Voice of Sindh London is Indus Melodies, the weekly radio show in which we spread the fragrance of Sindhi music. And this is a weekly show being broadcasted every Saturday 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time. And since this is Saturday, this is Indus Melodies, and this is me, Yasir Kazi, with you, the host and executive producer of the show, saying you all Assalamu alaikum, Haq Maujood, Namaste, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Mujrosa, and welcome to the show. Hi listeners, hope you are good and hope you had a great week, and now you are heading towards expected to be a great weekend, though this was a week which was full of miserable national and international incidents. And even then, I hope that your personal life went good and you did not have any incident in your life, in your personal life. Though these national and international incidents are also matter of tragedy, matter of sorrow for all of us, but what can one do except expressing our personal grief about those events? Today is Saturday, Jamadiul Awwal 24th, 1442 as per Hijra calendar. Poh, which is the 10th month of the Bakrami calendar, the Sindhi calendar or the local calendar, and 26th of Poh 2077. The calendar is 2077 Sindhi calendar, Bakrami calendar or the local calendar, and this is January 9, 2021, and this is the second Indus Melodies of 2021 being broadcasted for all of you listeners. Let me share with you the contents of the show. The voices which would be the matter of fragrance for today's show, matter of aroma of today's show are Zamin Ali, Abida Praveen, Muhammad Yusuf, Umaira Channa, Amina and Zeb Memar, Twahira Sayyid, Singar Ali Salim, Parivash Bhutto, Qamar Sumro, Nahid Akhtar, Mazhar Hussain and Shaukat Ali. These are the expected voices which are planned to be aired in this show. A few songs may be missing in the last as far as the duration of the show is concerned, and let me share with you that the lyricists, some of the lyricists which would be the matter of enhancement of the beauty of the show are Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, of course, the greatest poet of Sindh, and Sayyid Sahib Rano Shah, Imdad Hussaini, Maqsood Gul, Abdul Ghaffar Tabassum, Qamar Shahbaz and others. Let's start with the name of the existence, the divine, which is the most merciful, which is the most kind. And Zamin Ali is expressing the same in this hamd, in this hymn, that you are one who is bestowing your kindness upon us.
करीम तू रहीम तू खुदाए दुल जलाल तू अहद भी तू समद भी तू जहां में बेमिसाल तू करीम तू तू करीम तू रहीम तू जमील तू हमीर तू मजीद तू अजीम तू जमील तू हमीर तू मजीद तू अजीम तू सिफात जो कमाल हो कमाल जो कमाल तू करीम तू रहीम तू खुदाए जुल जलाल तू अल्लाहु अकबर तू सलाम तू मकाम तू मकीन तू हो कलाम तू सलाम तू मकाम तू मकीन तू ज़मीन और आसमान जो खुदाए जुल जलाल तू करीम तू रहीम तू खुदाए जुल जलाल तू करीम तू रहीम तू मुकीत आई मुहित छा गफूर तू कफील तू मुकीत आई मुहित छा गफूर तू कफील तू सुकून दे अकरम खे छदाए हर बलाल तू करीम तू रहीम तू खुदाए जुल जलाल तू अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाह अल्लाह अल्लाह
All right, listeners, we started with the name of Almighty Allah and with the voice of Zamin Ali, the forthcoming singer of this land, and definitely a prominent singer in making. And we started this show which is called Indus Melodies, which is being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. We were counting the tragedies, the miseries of the week, and we had a terrible incident in Mach, the small town of Balochistan, and there 11 coal miners were killed brutally. And I think brutal word is a small word. What happened with them? They were not only murdered, but they were slaughtered. Belonged to very poor families of Balochistan, and unfortunately, CM Balochistan was enjoying the New Year Eve at Dubai, and after that, after the incident took place, he met the heirs after 4 days were passed after the incident. So, a protest is going on in Quetta along with the dead bodies, and this is the seventh day that they are protesting along with the dead bodies, and this is a misery. This is a great misery, and the greatest words of expressing our grief cannot meet the level of that grief, the level of that sorrow which goes on inside us. May Allah bestow His blessings upon the citizens of this country, because we are not having the proper rulers who can minimally come to share the sorrow of the hearers, because they are just demanding Prime Minister of Pakistan to come to them, to their doorsteps, just to share their sorrow, just to share their grief, nothing else, because they have rejected Pakistani rupees 50 lakh compensation to each family, to each murdered one, but they have rejected this, and they just want Prime Minister to come at their doorsteps and to share their sorrows and to accompany them in the funerals. So this is a pathetic situation, and everybody, not only the citizen of this country, but everyone who knows, who comes to know about this tragedy, about this event, about this incident, he is totally blank and he is just in sorrow. Alright folks, we were listening the voice of Abida Praveen, Gigi Abida Praveen, and the lyrics were written by Qamar Shahbaz, which we were including. The song we were including in Indus Melodies, and Indus Melodies is being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. As we mentioned that this is 9th of January and there are only 11 days remaining, after which the new president-elect of United States of America, the greatest country in terms of economy, in terms of army, in terms of power, he will sworn in and take his charge, take his responsibilities as the new president of United States of America. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh, London. These are the beautiful lyrics by Abdul Ghaffar Tabassum, sung by Muhammad Yusuf, and sometimes you feel miserable like this, as mentioned in this beautiful ghazal. Let's listen to this, and after that I'll share the translation of the song with you. Here we go.
को चराए कोई गम न का खुशी करा को चराए कोई गम न का खुशी कट जे थी बेवसी अजब मुझी जिंदगी को चरा कोई गम न का खुशी को मेहरबान कोई गमे दिल जो राज़दां वो मेहरबान कोई गमे दिल जो राज़दां गमे दिल जो राज़दां जगमग उठी व्या शायद माण्हू से मोहबती करा को चरा कोई गम न का खुशी सब कहें रुगो थे दिल के जलाइण जिगाल कई सब कहें रुगो थे दिल के जलाइण जिगाल कई जलाइण जिगाल कई मरहम कई न घाजी कहे मेहरबान थी करा को चरा कोई गम न का खुशी कुर्बतुन बिन आयूं उन्हें खरा सुहनन चराग कोई गम न का खुशी का राह को चराग कोई गम न का खुशी कट जे थी बेवसी अजब जी जिंदगी का राह को चरा कोई गम न का खुशी
I am unable to find any way which goes to the light. I am unable to find any ray of light because my life is full of darkness. My life is black and I am blank without any ray of hope. These were the lyrics. This was the translation of the lyrics which were written by Abdul Ghaffar Tabassum and sung by Ustad Muhammad Yusuf. And sometimes your life brings you at a stage where you feel like this, but you should come out of this situation as soon as possible at your earliest, because this is not good for what you want to achieve. This is not good for your pace of the life. So one should fix these problems as soon as possible to maintain that tempo, that temperament, that pace of the life of the achievements. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London. This is Indus Melodies, the weekly radio show being broadcasted every Saturday 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time from Radio Voice of Sindh London. These are the beautiful lyrics written by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, the greatest poet of this land, and sung by Humaira Channa. And this very melody is selected from the melody of Marwi, from the Sur of Marwi, from the chapter dedicated to Marwi. And Marwi is a symbol of a patriotism who loves her land and her people. The people dwelling on that land. She loves those all relatives and blood relations which are related to Marwi, and she is offered by Umar Sumro for many things which are so costly, but she refuses everything because she has the only priority for her land, for being returned to her relatives and her own ones. So when it rains over Umarkot, the fort of Umarkot, where she is being forced to live there and to marry Umar Sumro, she is forced by him. There it's raining in a night, and she is remembering her land, that last night when it rained, how did my relatives feel in this rain? Because rain is a matter of joy on the land of Thar, but when they are missing Marwi, what could happen to her relatives and her land? Would they be happy after this rain, or they might be missing her? So this is a mixed feeling of thanking the blessing of Almighty Allah in shape of rain, but missing her land and her people. So let's listen to this melody by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, sung by Humaira Channa. And this beautiful melody, this beautiful music is created by Ustad Muhammad Juman, and this Vai was originally sung by Ustad Muhammad Juman, and Humaira Channa is singing this Vai as a cover Vai. Let's listen to this melody.
रातब मीहड़ा वठा खिवड़न खेल कया बाजारन जे मुल्क मथे रातब मीहड़ा वठा हो रातब मीहड़ा वठा रातब मीहड़ा वठा खिवड़न खेल कया मीहड़ा वठा रातब मीहड़ा वठा खिवड़न खेल कया बाजारन जे मुल्क मथे रातब मीहड़ा वठा ओ रातब मीहड़ा वठा सुते लोग लतीफ चवे लालो लाल लतीफ चवे ख्वाब में डाठी डिठावला रातब मीहड़ा वठा रातब मीहड़ा वठा खिवड़न खेल कया बाजारन जे मुल्क मथे रातब मीहड़ा वठा ओ रातब मीहड़ा वठा रातब मीहड़ा वठा खिवड़न खेल कया बाजारन जे
All right, listeners, Raat Bhi Mihada Vutha. Last night it also rained, and we were listening this melody from the melody of Marui, from the chapter of Marui, from the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, sung by Humaira Channa. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this is Indus Melodies, the weekly radio show, English radio show with Sindhi playlist. And this is me, Yasir Kazi, with you, welcoming you to the show. Let's change the mood and listen to this comedy song sung by Amina, Zeb Memon, and their companions, chorus, and they are mentioning about the bread, the mani, that Sada Surahi Rahe Mani. This is a comedy song, and I hope that a smile will come on your lips.
सदा सुरही रहे मानी कुकुड़ कोड़ी कवाबन जी सदा रहे मानी कचबुआरी सदा सदा सुरही रहे मानी कुकुड़ कोड़ी कवाबन जी कुकुड़ कोड़ी कवाबन जी सदा सुरही रहे मानी कुकुड़ कोड़ी कवाबन जी हमेशा हुजे जग में अहिड़ी दावत असाबिन जी ओ अहिड़ी दावत असाबिन जी सदा सुरही रहे मानी कुकुड़ कोड़ी कवाबन जी हलूं थार रही सती जग में
अरे किए रही थींदे
अहिड़ी आदत असांजिया हमेशा प्यार हमेशा प्यार हनु नासू हमेशा प्यार हनु नासू सुनी खुशबू कबाबन सुनी खुशबू कबाबन जी साथ रही रहे मानी कुकड़ कोरी कबाबन जी अला कुकड़ कोरी कबाबन जी हमेशा हुजे जग में एड़ी दावत असां बिन जी ओ एड़ी दावत असां बिन जी सदा सुरई रहे मानी कुकड़ कोरी कबाबन जी अगर जे पेट फाटी पे
फाटी पाए पेट अरे
एतरी मेहरबानी कजो
मेहरबानी भी तो कराई अरे किए
डिजो मुंहिंजे हाय
हाय हाय
डिजो मुंहिंजे तलाश खे सुनी खुशबू कबाब सुनी खुशबू कबाबन जी ओ डिजो मुंहिंजे तलाश खे सुनी खुशबू कबाबन जी ओ सदा सुरही रहे मानी कुकड़ कोरी कबाबन जी ओ कुकड़ कोरी कबाबन जी हमेशा हुजे जग में एरीदा बताया साबिन जी अला एरीदा बताया साबिन जी
Sada Surahi Rahimani, may the bread live long, may the eatables live long. So this was a comedy song sung in shape of, in the style of Qawwali, and I hope that you liked this song, and this would have been the matter of a smile on your lips. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this is Indus Melodies, because there is a lot of tragedies happening around us. So something which is matter of your smile, that is worthy. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh, London. The show is Indus Melodies. This is me, Yasir Kazi, and presenting you the poetry of Sahib Adino Shah. Sahib Adino Shah was a poet from the family of Hazrat Shah Abdul Karim Buladiwaro and Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, of course. He's not Sachal Sarmast, because Sachal Sarmast also used his poetic name, I mean Takhallus, as Sahib Adino, Sunamiya Sahib Adina, Bakht Ghadeda, Sadi Umr Gayi Ajai. But this is not that Sahib Adino. This is not Sachal Sai. This is Sahib Adino Shah from the lower part of Sindh, which is known as Lard. And Sahib Adino Shah is one of the classical poets of the recent past. And this beautiful melody is sung by Abida Parveen. But right now, Tahira Sayyed is singing this melody, this kafi, Kafi by Sahib Rino Shah as a cover Kafi, as a cover song, which says, "It is not fair to be away from your beloved, from your cherished one while you're alive." Let's listen to this melody.
मुश्ताक सा हो चियरे जुदाइयों की मकर हो मन घुरे मुश्ताक सा हो चियरे जुदाइयों की मकर हो मन घुरे अल्लाह चे तू अञाणवायूं की मकर हो मन घुरे मुश्ताक सां मन घुरे मुश्ताक सां हो जियरे जुदायूं की मकर हो मन घुरे हवारन सान बे हद बे वफायों की मकर हो मन घुरे मुश्ताक सां मन घुरे मुश्ताक सां हो जियरे जुदायूं की मकर हो मन घुरे साहिब बिना दर कर गदायूं की
All right, folks, we were listening to Tahira Sayyed in Indus Melodies, which is being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. And as we mentioned about Donald Trump, that he has just 11 days left as the President of United States of America. And in these 11 days, what he would do, everybody is afraid, because what he did 3 days back, that happened after 206 years in the history of United States of America. But that attack was not by Americans. That was from the outer forces of United States of America, who attacked Capitol Hill, the most important building, one of the most important buildings of America, and especially the capital of America, because a few buildings are the most important buildings, including the Pentagon, the White House, and the Capitol Hill. Capitol Hill, which is the symbol of democracy of the world, of the globe, not only the United States of America, but that was attacked by Americans, by the supporters of Donald Trump. And of course, everybody knows, the world knows, and the international media is commenting upon that, and they are very much clear that without his patronage and his consent, this could not have been happened, because he provoked his supporters to attack over Capitol Hill. There is a lot of movies on that attack which happened 206 years back, but this attack, which was by Americans on American building, as Abraham Lincoln said that democracy is by the people, for the people, of the people, and this was the attack by the Americans, of the Americans, on the America, United States of America, and the safety of America, about which the president-elect, the forthcoming president, Joe Biden, said that this is not the real face of America. He was compelled to express that this was not the real face of America, and this is not real America. Real America is a peace-loving America. Let's see what happens in the next 11 days, and we hope and we wish peace to United States of America, to Pakistan, and to whole the world. दोस्त मिठा दिलदार आलम सब आबाद करें.
बुद्धि छद दास्ताने दिल, बुद्धि छद दास्ताने दिल, अञा कुछ रात बाकिया, बुद्धि छद दास्ताने दिल, रोआ थो मां तू खुश थी खिल, रोआ थो मां तू खुश थी खिल, अञा कुछ रात बाकिया, बुद्धि छद दास्ताने दिल. कदह बिस्मिल तपथ कण है नचण भी दे, भनी कर बोर लंगर के, छदे दे सीर में किश्ती, बनी कर बोर लंगर के, छदे दे सीर में किश्ती, जो आओ लबे साहिल, अञा कुछ रात बाकिया, बुद्धि छद दास्ताने दिल. कसर बीमार खे पौंदी, जॾहिं हू सुबुह साईं दो, कसर बीमार खे पौंदी, जॾहिं हू सुबुह साईं दो, थी वेंदी हल इहा मुश्किल, अञा कुछ रात बाकिया बुधी छड़ दास्ताने दिल देखे परेशान थी जयो मजनू जले लैला जिना देखे परेशान थी जयो मजनू रहे छो पर्दाए महमिल अञा कुछ रात बाकिया बुधी छड़ दास्ताने दे अञा कुछ रात बाकिया बुधी छड़ दास्ताने दे
Alright folks, we were listening to this Dastane-Dil, the story of heart, what my heart feels, that was expressed by Singar Ali Salim, one of the prominent singers of the near past from Rohini. And Singar Ali Salim was expressing through this beautiful song in his beautiful style and the melody which was composed by himself. He expressed this beautiful kafi in his pretty style. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London. This is Endless Melodies, the weekly radio show being broadcasted from Radio VOS London, Great Britain. I'm going to play a song which is commonly played in a promo by Imdad Hussaini in Suraj Shaakhon Kadiyun, in which he says that Suraj Shaakhon Kadiyun is his favorite show, and that is the signpost recorded in the voice of Imdad Hussaini, and that ends with this song which is sung by Parivash Bhutto, who doesn't sing nowadays, but when she was a child she used to sing for Sindhi TV show of Pakistan Television for children, that was Roshan Tara, and she sang this song which says that this evening is a beautiful evening which has come along with the twinkling aroma of your being, your companionship. Let's listen to this pretty melody by Imdad Hussaini, sung by Parivash Bhutto.
सुहानी शाम
ये शाम सुहानी शाम सितारंजा दिया बारी दी आई आहे. We were listening to the voice of Parivash Bhutto and the poetry, the lyrics written by Imdad Hussaini. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies, the weekly radio show being broadcasted every Saturday. And apart from this show, you can listen to my two shows, which are my Disc Jockey Breakfast morning shows being broadcasted on Tuesday and Friday every week. These are my two morning shows of 2 hours duration each. You can listen to these both shows through the main broadcast on the live stream of Radio Voice of Sindh London, Radio VOS London, or as an alternate broadcast, you can listen to these shows through my YouTube channel, which is with the name of Yasir Kazi, or youtube.com/FMWQY. This is the voice of Qamar Sumro, and he is also mentioning about an evening. Parivash Bhutto was praising that evening and feeling happy in that evening when the beloved of the lyricist was along with him. But Qamar Sumro is expressing that what type of evening is this and how he is feeling in this evening. Let's listen and feel in this song. Here we go.
शायद वियो बिछी को, शायद वियो बिछी को, बण बण ते ताम आहे, हीअ कहिड़ी शाम आहे, हीअ कहिड़ी शाम आहे, हर ख़ाली नाम आहे, हीअ कहिड़ी शाम आहे। जाम में जलाली नाहे अखिल में लाली, हिन जाम में जलाली, उगिरी नकी कड़िया, उगिरी नकी कड़िया, मैं कमाम है, उगिरी नकी कड़िया, मैं में कमामा है ये कहरी शाम है हर खाली लामा है ये कहरी शाम है छायो मथा अंधेरो छायो मथा अंधेरो को कांगुआ नगेरो छायो मथा अंधेरो को कांगुआ नगेरो शायद बियो विछी को शायद बियो विछी को वण वण ते दाम आहे ये कहरी शाम आहे हर खाली लामा है ये कहरी शाम है जंहिंखे तते खभाणी जंहिं पर्छ में न पाणी 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 जंहिंखे तते खभाणी जंहिं पर्छ में न पाणी बेवस न को बसेरो बेवस न को बसेरो ओॾह उॾामा है ये कहरी शाम है ये कहरी शाम है हर खाली लामा है ये कहरी शाम है
This was a melody sung by Qamar Sumro. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies. As we mentioned about the patriotism of Mari, the love for her land and the people by Mari a while ago in this show, connecting and continuing the same message. Let's listen to the song written and sung out of the love for the land, sung by Nahid Akhtar. I hope that you would love to listen this rare song sung by Nahid Akhtar. Here we go.
गई
मां पंहिंजे देश जा दिलबर वॻाई वेस पाथी
This is Dr. Terry Jackson, and you're listening to Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show, and it will change your life.
Alright folks, we were listening to the voice of Nahid Akhtar. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London. This is Indus Melodies being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh London. This is Saturday and you have just started your weekend. And some of you have started their weekends yesterday who have Saturday off. But most of you have started your weekend today. And I pray for your relaxing weekend. And I hope that you will have the maximum fun time and leisure time with your family. And for the sake of relaxing you more, let me take you to this beautiful song written by Abdul Ghaffar Tabassum and sung by Mazhar Hussain. And this is a song which was sung by Manzoor Sakhirani and which we keep playing in the signpost narrated by Abdul Ghaffar Tabassum, which says that Suraj Shaakhon Ka Diyon is his favorite show. And this is Hu Samudra Kinare Te Kal Chandra Disan Aayi. Yesterday she came on the beach to observe the moon, the full moon night. And there was a moon who was gazing an other moon, who was observing an other moon. The seer was also a moon and the seen was also a moon. There were two moons. One was on the beach, one was on the shores, and one was over the shores in the sky. Let's listen to this beautiful song, but this time this is sung by Mazhar Hussain.
समुद्र किनारे थे कल चंद दिसन आए हुआ समुद्र किनारे थे कल चंद दिसन आए एक चंद तमाशा एक चंद तमाशा एक चंद तमाशाई हुआ समुद्र किनारे थे कल चंद दिसन आई छुहाउन में चाहत जी गरम जोशी लहरों जे छुहाउन में चाहत जी गरम जोशी पघराए वही हुआ थे पघराए वही हुआ थे एहसास जिकित काई हुआ समुद्र किनारे थे कल चंद दिसन आई निहारुन सा उन चंद झुलायो पे नीड़न जे निहारुन सा उन चंद झुलायो पे पिंबड़न जे हिंदोरे में पिंबड़न जे हिंदोरे में रात पे हुआ समुद्र किनारे थे कल चंद दिसन आई विख थे खजी जी तीअं तिख सां भरे टुकिया जीअं विख थे खजी जी तीअं तिख सां भरे टुकिया तहगाम जा तबसुम हा तहगाम जा तबसुम हा ताराब तमनाई हुआ समुद्र किनारे थे कल चंद दिसन आई हुआ समुद्र किनारे थे कल चंद दिसन आई हिक चंड तमाशो हिक चंड तमाशो हिक चंड तमाशाए असां किनारे ते कल चंड ॾिसण आई असां किनारे ते कल चंड ॾिसण आई
You're listening to Radio Voice of Sin London. This is Indus Melodies, the weekly radio show being broadcasted every Saturday, 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time from Radio Voice of Sin London.
कोयल पाजे को कुआ में तू झीणो झीणोगा कोयल पाजे को कुआ में तू झीणो झीणोगा मसे त दिल जो दर्द सुतोआ मसे त दिल जो दर्द सुतोआ तंहिंखे की न जॻह झीणो झीणोगा कोयल पांजे कुआ में तू झीणो झीणोगा प्यार कयोसी पागल थियासी शाणप वई विसरी शाणप वई विसरी शाणप वई विसरी रुञ पुठियां था डोरियूं वेठा रुञ पुठियां था डोरियूं वेठा उन उझाणण लाइ झीणो झीणोगा कोयल पांजे कुआ में तू झीणो झीणोगा कुंवरा कुंवरा कचड़ा मन में जाॻिया आहिनि जज़्बा जाॻिया आहिनि जज़्बा जाॻिया आहिनि जज़्बा मोट परे खां प्यारा हाणे मोट परे खां प्यारा हाणे आस जी आस पुॼा झीणो झीणोगा कोयल पांजे कुआ में तू झीणो झीणोगा अलधल आडो रोवणो जानी आहे अखिल जो ज़्यान आहे अखिल जो ज़्यान आहे अखिल जो ज़्यान जब असांजा सिबी जवन था, जब असांजा सिबी जवन था, कोई गीत बुधा झीणो झीणोगा, कोयल पाजी कुआ में तू झीणो झीणोगा। मसे त दिल जो दर्द सुतोआ, मसे त दिल जो दर्द सुतोआ, तैखे की न जगा झीणो झीणोगा। कोयल पाजी कुआ में तू झीणो झीणोगा, झीणो झीणोगा।
Alright folks, this was our today's show, Indus Melodies, which we are going to wrap up right now. I would love to conclude today's show with a Marwadi Lok Geet, because Marwadi is also one of the second or third languages of this land, and especially when we talk about the large part of Sindh and the cities and villages and the areas along with the shores, along with the coastal belt, including Karachi and Badin and Thatta and Thar especially. This is considered to be the second language of Thar, because the first language of Thar is Dhatki, but Marwadi is spoken at large in Thar desert of Sindh. And in Karachi also, the largest city of not only Sindh but Pakistan, there's a lot of population who speaks and understands Marwadi. So, Shaukat Ali is singing this song, this Marwadi folk song, which would be the last song of today's show. If you want to extend your feedback, you are more than welcome. Rather, we would request you to extend your feedback. If you want to send us a mail, you can mail us on djyasirkazi@yahoo.com, djyasirkazi@yahoo.com, or info@radiovoiceofsindh.com, info@radiovoiceofsindh.com. If you want to follow us on Twitter, my Twitter handle is @RJYasirkazi, @RJYasirkazi. If you want to follow us on Facebook, our Facebook page is facebook.com/Radio Voice of Sindh, RADIOVOICEOFSINDH, or facebook.com/DJ Yasirkazi, DJYasirkazi. Our YouTube channel is with the name of Radio Voice of Sindh or Yasir Kazi YSIRQAZI. If you want to write the address, the channel address directly in the address bar, that would be youtube.com/FMWQY. Press the bell icon for continuous updates. Like, subscribe and share this channel. See you inshallah on Tuesday morning 10 a.m. in Suraj Shakhun Kadhiyu, my disc jockey breakfast morning radio show. Till then, Yasir Kazi saying you aloha, take care, goodbye, Allah Hafiz, Sadain good, tata and bye-bye, over and out, Allah Nigeban.
अरे सड़क सड़क चाला रे, सड़क सड़क चाला, सड़क सड़क चाला, ममज मारा चप्पल उड़ा बा टूटा, ममलिया चप्पल उड़ा बा टूटा, ममलिया चप्पल उड़ा बा टूटा, होए होए ममलिया होए ममलिया होए ममलिया होए तो को मत दे जो हमारा राज होए होए ममलिया होए ममलिया होए ममलिया होए तो को मत दे जो हमारा राज सड़क सड़क चाला मामा जी मारा चप्पलूड़ा बाटूटा मामा जी मारा चप्पलूड़ा बाटूटा ममलिया चप्पलूड़ा बाटूटा हुए हुए ममलिया हुए तो को मत नहीं जो हमारा राज अरे माँ में भेड़ी चाला रे माँ में भेड़ी चाला ममलिया मामी मैना मारे माँ में भेड़ी चाला ममलिया मामी मैना मारे ममलिया मामी मैना मारे ममलिया रे मामी मैना मारे हुए हुए ममलिया हुए धोखो मत दे जो हमारा राज सड़क सड़क चाला मामा जी मारा चप्पलूड़ा बाटूटा ममलिया चप्पलूड़ा बाटूटा ममलिया चप्पलूड़ा बाटूटा हुए हुए ममलिया हुए धोखो मत दे जो हमारा राज अरे नी मोड़ी रे कारणिए अरे नी मोड़ी रे कारणिए हूँ तो 9 दिन निर्णी रही नी मोड़ी रे कारणिए हूँ तो 9 दिन निर्णी रही ममलिया 9 दिन निर्णी रही ममलिया 9 दिन निर्णी रही हुए हुए ममलिया हुए तो को मत नहीं जो हमारा राज सड़क सड़क चाला मामा जी मारा चप्पलूड़ा बाटूटा ममलिया चप्पलूड़ा बाटूटा ममलिया चप्पलूड़ा बाटूटा हुए हुए ममलिया हुए तो को मत नहीं जो हमारा राज अरे चुड़लिए रे कारणिए चुड़लिए रे कारणिए हूँ तो हाट बाजार रे गई चुड़लिए रे कारणिए हूँ तो हाट बाजार रे गई ममलिया हाट बाजार रे गई ममलिया हाट बाजार रे गई हुए हुए ममलिया हुए धोखो मत दे जो हमारा राज सड़क सड़क चाला ममलिया चप्पलूड़ा बाटूटा ममलिया चप्पलूड़ा बाटूटा ममलिया चप्पलूड़ा बाटूटा हुए हुए ममलिया हुए धोखो मत दे जो हमारा राज धोखो मत दे जो हमारा राज धोखो मत दे जो हमारा राज
सिंधु मुहिंजी अमा सूह तुहिंजी मथा छा लिखी छा छा लिखां छा लिखी साल खां ओ सिंध मुंहिंजी अमां
दुनिया जा सिंधियो हिक मुठ थी सिंध बचायो
सिंध मुंहिंजी अमां सूंह तुंहिंजी अमां छा लिखां
सिंध जो क़ौमी आवाज़ रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन। रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन पंहिंजी नशरियात में सिंध जी सियासत, समाज, इक़्तिसादियात, तारीख़, क़ौमी उमंगुनि ऐं इख़्लाक़ियात मुतलिक़ सिंध जी हक़ीक़ी तर्जुमानी कंदे प्रोग्रामनि खे असराइतो बणाइण लाइ सिंध जे घण घुरनि ऐं धरतीअ सां प्यार कंदड़ अदीबनि, दानिशवरनि, सहाफ़ियुनि, उस्तादनि, वकीलनि ऐं हर तबिके जे मानवारनि सजणनि खे सिंध में शऊरी इनकलाब लाइ सहकार जो सॾु ॾियूं था। अचो त गॾिजी सूफ़ियुनि ऐं संतनि वारी सिंध जो ओज हिक मुठ थी वरी वापसि आणण वारे सफ़र जा साथारी बणिजऊं। हिक नए सुबुह जी शुरूआत जो पड़ाॾो घर घर ॻोठ ॻोठ ऐं शहर शहर ताईं पहुचायो। शाल सिंध आबाद ऐं ख़ुशहाल थिए, सिंधी माण्हू सुखियो ऐं सताबो थिए।